And I'm having fun. You know, baby, you love flowers, and look at this lovely garden down here. Roro, so this is what my workout for you. R is for Roro, I is for inspire, U is for us. So Roro inspire us, and that's the love result in Ultra such a ship out there, so look about. Nice. Man, do it there, have fun. I'll see you next boat. Let's see your mother here. Rachel, I love you. Work last night at Pearly Beach. It was lovely. Thanks to everyone from Pearly Beach who came out to see the lovely Queen. Gladys God, Roro! I'm at Rio's. Love you, do it.
Crazy.
Never lazy.
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bone. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release for
I give God thanks for where I come, where I come from and where I reach. Me them are so Queenie and a celebrity, Queenie and an artist. That is bad and that is wrong and that is rude. Because I am, indeed. And I'm a very hard-working, progressive woman. Me not prove nothing to you. I'm not living in denial. I'm not telling myself a lie. I'm not go back and believe the same lie I'm not telling myself. Me not lie to my blood. The man this my ball. The man sell the ring my ball. You have to be true to yourself and it make life easier. But we still have the man. My husband. I didn't say crazy. Stop saying my bad things about me. Just say be good husband. Your mouth powerful. That's golden. Words. Words. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. As simple as you see it. I put it in my treasure box. It's true. My mouth powerful. So it's every time I go say awful things about him, I'm going to constantly be awful. I'm going to take that word in consideration. I see it at work. My husband, sweet and blood. I say all them tear them, they want to get home and discriminate him and discriminate me and the sweet and I share it up. Or to get one tape, measure. I barely live it, I love God. You hear that? More life and prosperity. Live and be loved. Love conquer it all. I'm telling you already. When do it at Jamaica? And then now come up back and now this and I say, I want to do shame on a dirty blood. It's not good. A good come. No matter how long it take that name faith. Not fear. Someone who live in a fear. You see something scared me. First thing I just start plead the blood. The blood of Jesus. I plead the blood of Jesus. No weapon formed against a queen shall pass. I'm afraid me no know. Because I work with faith. All the bless upon yourself. Have a great day.
You are too beautiful to be begging online. Go to work. Go to work for money. Sitting on the camera to beg. Go to work. You are young. Stop making noise online. Begging for whales. You will lose your mind. Begging, whale, lion, whale.
Whale!
Go and look for a job. Young generation. Kupeana kuma usiku na kuomba online.
Oh, thank you.
You online. Go and beg now. Useless generation.
Lion, madam, lion.
Eh?
Lion.
From where? From Africa. Ancestors, go to the forest and bring a lion for this girl.
Snipe
We have a
lion.
lot of lions in the forest. Can somebody go to the forest and bring a lion for this girl?
Snipe lion. Snipe lion.
Snipe. With
Lion,
elephant,
whale.
giraffe, everything. She's
Whale.
looking for a lion. We have a lot in Africa, a lot. Can somebody go and bring a lion? Okay.
Somebody call Spice. Somebody call Spice, my man. Wait, they go Jamaica. And this is the same man where did want to take back the money from Gracie. And this same man this did want to take back the money from Gracie because Gracie never come and chug it. But between me and you, Jamaica, who knows where they go on? Between 2011 to 2017, Jamaica, Lord Jesus. I wonder if we must talk tonight because me can't get no more lawsuit in Jamaica. Because me hear say this man charged up with one whole heap of liar. Between 2011 Jamaica to 2017, Bunks checking our account with that, but I'm not subject. Hey! Call Valiant, that for me, somebody call Valiant. Chop, chopper, chop, 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 chopper, chop, chop. Yes, Jamaica, them a choppy line. Mocha come down pan them, Jamaica. Mocha come down pan them, Jamaica. Mocha.
Good night, everyone. Mother, I'll talk something over the ear. I don't know how, island wide this is going to go, because this is my first time talking. My name is Anne-Marie Allen. I am from 23 West Road, Kingston 12 in Arnett Garden. I have 5 kids. The biggest one name is Joseph White. I'm going to put out this on the ear because I really need help for my son. My son, Joseph White, was shot by a youth in Waterhouse, Welcome Avenue. His name is Tugs or Press, or they call him JC. Well, I am a parent, and if my child was a bad child, I would have come on the ear and said the same thing to that he is a bad child. And he mix up in this and he mix up in that. But to be honest with you, this child that I'm talking about is a very good child. Nobody in the community where I live ever speak bad about him or anywhere he goes. But now at this time, I'm on my knees. I am crying out for help for my son, Joseph White. God, how am I going to do this? I just need someone to just help him out. He's on life machine. His kidney, one of his kidneys is gone, and the other one is giving trouble. And he got his liver is damaged really hard, where they have to press tissue around it for him to get a blood clot. And he's in serious condition. And I don't know what to do. This is my last. Crying out for him, for help for him. So if anybody know this gentleman by the name of Press or CJ, I heard that him run away from him shoot my son. And I know my son is not a bad child, he's an innocent child. But I'm just crying help for my son. Please, if anybody could donate blood for him, you could just go by blood bank and ask them and give him need.
Yo, this guy thinking to you know. Fuck, you know what is this? Worst thing we got ever make. Some guys like it. I'll show you how we do this. I man now continue thinking too. You don't know what it was if you're thinking slow, isn't it? See there? This goddamn thing in here. Zamunda Luby, me don't want to know. Attack it, Zam. Attack it. Man, I take nothing to put in my mouth. Renewed it. More thinking to available if you want it. But I and I, man. You want some jabot? See, son, I energy fruit, man. I know, but I don't want it. As me tell you now from me, I live it, me hate that blood clot.
This your ancestor the energy when they married to the
Yo, stop telling me them fuck you, man.
No, see ya. It's have a whole lot of energy, mate.